In this video, we will learn how to create a business website in WordPress within 10 minutes. We will use a theme from MonstorOne to create our WordPress website. MonstorOne service provides lots of ready-made templates and themes that you can use to create your own websites. I am a freelance web designer and content creator, and I use MonstorOne for my all projects. Why I use MonstorOne for all my projects is because of 4 reasons. Number 1. Time saving. Ready-made templates significantly reduce the time required to design and develop a website. Number 2. Professional design. Most of the templates are created by professional designers and developers, ensuring high quality and functionality. Number 3. Ease of use. Ready-made templates are designed to be user-friendly even for individuals with limited skills. Number 4. Flexibility. Despite being pre-designed, ready-made templates are flexible and very easy to customize. Why choose MonstorOne? MonstorOne is a subscription service that offers access to vast collection of website building elements. You can make a one-time payment and then you can download numerous templates. It is a universal product for everyone who is engaged in creating and promoting business projects. With MonstorOne subscription, you will get unlimited downloads, simple license, help and support, and also you will get new products every week. It includes over 350,000 products and the assortment is constantly updated. MonstorOne subscription is suitable for freelancers, developers, marketers, and designers. With the help of MonstorOne subscriptions, it is possible to speed up the execution time and the quality of the projects will not suffer. You can create a free MonstorOne account and download products that are listed as free. MonstorOne also provides an opportunity to earn money as an author or affiliate.
So now let's check out the MonstorOne pricing. So we have 3 packages to choose from and we can buy our package for monthly, annually or lifetime. So our first package is the creative package. If you want to buy MonstorOne for the WordPress themes, then I will not recommend you to buy this creative package because WordPress, CMS and HTML themes are not included in this package. You can go for all-in-one Pro or all-in-one. If you go with all-in-one Pro, then you will also have access to AI Builder. All-in-one Pro package is only available for the yearly subscription, but if you want to go for all-in-one, then it is available for annual and lifetime subscription. So select any package based on your requirements, click on join now, purchase the package and start using MonstorOne today.
Let's download a theme from MonstorOne and create our WordPress website.
Now to download our theme, we will go to monstorone.com, click on this drop down, select WordPress from here and then we can search for our theme, or we can hover over WordPress and then select WordPress themes, or we can scroll down from here and then click on WordPress themes and plugins. Here you will see all the themes and plugins that you can download using your MonstorOne subscription. You can check out trending, newest, popular or undiscovered themes from here, or you can use these filters to find your theme. You can select WordPress themes from here. You can select your theme based on the license, topics, WordPress Builder, Elementor version, features, compatibility, WordPress version and WooCommerce version. So from the types we will select WordPress themes. Then we will select our topic and WordPress page builder. So for the topic we will select business from here, and from the page builder I will select Elementor page builder. So here we will see the themes that we can use for our WordPress website. If you want to check out any theme, just hover over it and then click on live demo. And here you will see the live demo of the theme that you have selected. So we have multiple pages for our themes. So now we will go to the page 2. This is the theme that I want to download and install on my WordPress website. So I am going to select this theme. And now I am going to sign in to my MonstorOne account to download this theme. So from the top I am going to click on sign in. So I have entered my MonstorOne username and password and now I am going to click on login. And now if we go to our theme page, here we will see a download button. Now to download our theme, we are going to click on download button from here. Click on download. And as you can see that our theme is now downloading to our computer. So this is the theme that we have just downloaded to our computer from MonstorOne.
Now we are going to set up WordPress on our web hosting, and after that we will install our MonstorOne theme. I use Hostinger for all my website projects and it is 100% recommended. If you want to check out Hostinger, link is in the description, and if you will use my coupon code ATHAR, you will get 5% extra discount.
So to install WordPress on Hostinger, log into Hostinger H panel and then click on Manage next to your web hosting. Now from the left menu, click on Website and then select Auto Installer from here. Select WordPress from here. Now we will enter our website title. After that we will enter our domain name. Then we need to add a username and password for our WordPress website. If we want to install WordPress on the main domain, then click on next from here, but I want to install WordPress on the subdomain, so I am going to select advanced from here, and for the installation path I will select my subdomain. After that I am going to click on next and then click on install. So we have successfully installed WordPress. Now to access our WordPress dashboard, we are going to select admin panel from here. And as you can see that we are in the dashboard of our WordPress website that we have just created. So now we are going to install our WordPress theme. So this is the theme that we have downloaded from the MonstorOne. So we are going to right click on it and then we are going to extract this package with the WinRAR. So now open this theme folder. So to install our theme on our WordPress website, we are going to click on Appearance and then Themes. Now from the top we are going to select Add New Theme. Click on Upload Theme, click on Choose File, select the theme and then click on Open. Now click on Install Now, and as you can see that we have successfully installed our WordPress theme. So now we are going to click on Activate. So our theme is now activated and now we will install the required plugins. So we are going to click on Begin Installing Plugins. Now we will select all the plugins. And then from the bulk actions, we are going to select install and then click on apply. And as you can see that our plugins are now installing on our WordPress website. So we have successfully installed our WordPress plugins. Now we are going to click on return to required plugins installer. We will select all the plugins again. Then select bulk actions from here and then click on activate and then click on apply. So all the plugins are now installed and activated. This is the website that we have just created using the MonstorOne theme, but now we are going to add a theme demo content to our website. So to import our demo content from the WordPress website dashboard, we are going to hover over Appearance and then click on Import Demo Content. Now we are going to scroll down from here and then click on Import Demo Content. Now again scroll down and then click on Continue and Import. So our demo content is now imported to our website, and now we are going to click on Visit Site. So this was before the demo content and this is now with the demo content. Now let's see how you can customize this theme according to your own choice. We will start with the header and then we will check out the other sections of our website. So to customize your header, go to your website dashboard, click on Appearance and then click on Theme Options. Here you will see header area option. So if you want to change this text, then you can do it from here. Now if you want to change the header logo, then you can do it from here. And if you want to change the design of the header menu, then you can do it from here. Now if you want to do settings for the footer area, then you can do it from here. After that, if you want to edit this page and change the text and images with your own text and images, then from the top click on Edit with Elementor, or from the WordPress website dashboard click on Pages and then All Pages. Just hover over any page and then click on Edit with Elementor. Let's say you want to change any text from your website. Just click on it and it will open up on the left side, and now you can easily change the text from here. And now here you can add your own text. Now let's say you want to delete any section from your website. Just right click on it and then click on delete. If you want to add new elements to your website, then you can do it from here. So you can easily customize this page according to your own choice. Let's say you want to change this image. Just click on this image. Now click on choose image from here. Then you can upload an image from your computer. Or if you have an image in the media library, then you can select it from here. You can change each and everything from here very easily. Let's say you want to delete few pages from your website. Then go to WordPress website dashboard and then click on Pages. and all pages. Here you will see all the pages that you have created on your WordPress website. Now to delete any page from your WordPress website, just hover over the page and then click on trash. And as you can see that our page is now moved to trashed. You can also rename these pages and change the titles and text according to your own choice. Let's say we want to change this FAQ page, so we are going to edit it from here. So we will enter a new name for our page and then click on update. Now to customize the content of this page, we are going to click on edit with Elementor. And as you can see that it is changed to services. We can also change this content from here. Let's say I want to delete this section, so we are going to click on this X button, and in this way this section will be deleted. Now to add new element or content to this section, we can easily do it from here. Now let's see how we can do the settings for our website menu. So we will go to WordPress website dashboard, and then from here we are going to hover over appearance and then click on menus from here. So from the top we are going to select our header menu, which is the main menu of our website, and then click on select. Now to delete any pages from our menu, we are going to click on this drop down button and then click on remove, or we can bulk select from here. Select all the pages that we want to remove from our menu and then click on remove selected items. And as you can see that selected pages are now removed. To save the menu, we are going to click on save menu from here. And now if we visit our website and refresh it, and here you will see our new menu. But still, if you want to delete any pages from here, then you can do it from here. Now if you want to add a new page to your menu, then you can do it from here. Just click on view all from here, select the page that you want to add to your menu, and then click on add to menu. And as you can see that our page is now added to menu. So now click on save menu, and in this way our menu will be saved. So now we are going to optimize our website for performance and SEO. At first we will do the SEO settings for our website, and then we will install a SEO plugin. From the WordPress website dashboard, click on settings and then permalinks. Now by default it is set to plain or any other permalink, but from here we are going to select post name, and then from the bottom we are going to click on save changes. Now we are going to install a WordPress SEO plugin for our website. So from the left menu we are going to click on plugins and then click on add new. Now from here we are going to search for Yoast SEO. After that we are going to install and activate this first plugin. After installing this plugin on your WordPress website, go to pages or posts. Just hover over any page or post and then click on edit. Now scroll down from here, and here you will see a Yoast SEO section. Now you can do all the SEO settings for your page from here. You can add a focus key phrase, you can add a slug, and you can also add a meta description from here. You can easily do this for all the pages and posts. So now I am going to give you few tips that will help you to optimize the performance of your WordPress website. The first tip is to reduce the size of images on your WordPress website. The second one is enable cache on your WordPress website, and for the cache you can install any cache plugin from here. The third tip is to choose the best hosting for your WordPress website. I use Hostinger for all my WordPress website projects and it is 100% recommended. So you can follow these tips to optimize the performance of your WordPress website very easily. So our WordPress website is now ready, and here are few tips that I want to give you before launching your WordPress website. Number 1, harden your website security. And for the WordPress security, you can install WordPress plugins like WordFence. Number 2, add Google Analytics to your website so that you can check out how many visitors have visited your website. Number 3, check out cross-browser compatibility for your WordPress website. Number 4, test your WordPress website on different devices. And at number 5, check out if there are any broken links on your website. Fix them before launching your WordPress website. So after doing these settings, you can easily launch your WordPress website.
And as you can see that it is very easy to launch a business WordPress website with the help of MonstorOne. I will recommend you to check out MonstorOne. Links are available in the description, and if you will use my coupon code ATHAR, then you will get 10% extra discount. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.